our new crib. Here is the bathroom. I look like a hot mess. We just drove 15 hours up from literally from Sacramento to Seattle, Washington. This is our new home. This bathroom is super huge. Love it.
Yeah, massive.
Beautiful cabinets.
These huge cabinets with the soft close, you know what I mean?
Yeah, a lot of the stuff is actually soft close, which is really nice. So you kind of just, I mean.
Yeah, that was the one that doesn't have soft close.
No, it just takes.
Okay.
Look, it just, it's real slow, but it's making its way there.
I'm gonna take this off.
We have already misos in that room. But here is the kitchen. Oh, this is my honestly favorite thing about the place already, that we get to make ice. I love that so much. So this is our new kitchen. This is our fridge, double doors, really nice. Video room and ice maker, favorite thing. And here we have a microwave. We haven't figured out what we're gonna put the microwave yet, but we're debating on kind of having it here, either putting in cabinets or even like putting it here or something, you know? And yeah, this is the kitchen. It is honestly the kitchen of my dreams. It is super duper nice. Everything is actually a little bit lower. Oh, you gotta see that. But everything is actually a little bit lower, which is nice because I'm short. I'm like 5'2", so. Oh, gotta show you the laundry room. Beautiful laundry room that opens out this way. It has a beautiful washer and dryer, brand new, just installed. And I'm excited because in our old apartment, we would have to we lived on the second floor, so we always have to lug our laundry to the laundry room, pay for a laundry card, or pay for whatever, you know. And this, we just do our laundry at 3 in the morning now.
Yeah.
Hey, Miso.
Came with a free dog.
We got a free dog, of course.
Came with a white dog to match the interior.
Miso loves it already. Miso! Come here, Miso! Miso was not having it during the 15-hour drive.
Shat in the car.
Oh yeah, she shat in the car. Had to clean that up, that was gross. But yes, we are in a very beautiful area. These are very big, almost ceiling to floor windows. The bedroom is a tad small, but we make do. I do think it is actually pretty good for like the size. Because we've seen a lot of bedrooms in Seattle, they're kind of small. And yeah, this door is clear. Debating on putting a curtain here. Oh, look, we have temperature control from the room, which is nice. Not a fan of this electric box that's here, but that's okay. And then we have,
At least it's white.
yeah, at least it's white, that's true. Some electric boxes just like stick out. Massive, massive closet doors, super beautiful. Here is what the closet looks like. So if I pulled this open, this is kind of what we're working with. It's a huge, nice triple door closet. Love the floors, super cute. Miso! Oh, you enjoying it, huh? You enjoying it, huh?
If you look at all the units over there, all their shades are down because the sun's going directly into their unit.
Yeah, so we don't get hit by direct light, which is actually pretty nice because as nice it is to have open light, it's also really nice that we just have consistent light instead of the light directly hitting ours. The only con is that, you know, these are apartment units, so, you know, can't be running around naked in the living room. Not that I would, but, you know.
I would.
You would? But yeah, this is our brand new apartment, guys. It has really nice recessed lighting in the kitchen. It is...
Oh yeah, it has these, we didn't know about this, but it has these little...
Oh, so like the
built-in
cool thing
dimmers.
is you can actually make the light dimmer if you guys are seeing that. Here, do it again.
Built-in dimmers and stuff.
Yeah. So like,
Pretty cool.
yeah, so you can pick the dimness. Like you can turn it off, turn it on, and you can pick the dimness. That's super dope.
Yep.
And our beautiful new oven, new dishwasher, everything. I love it. It's so cute.
Yeah, I mean,
It's super nice. High five! Yeah, new apartment. Hey guys, flash forward to 3 weeks later because I totally forgot to film an outro for this video. But if you guys watched the whole entire video, I know it's really short. Thank you so much for watching. We're going to do an actual like furnished apartment tour much later on, of course, when we get all of our stuff done and we've had some a little more interior decor. But for now, that was what our apartment looked like when we moved in 3 weeks ago. So yeah, if you like watching content like that, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to see more posts from me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.